What's up, YouTubers and RVers? Handyman Henry here, and this is Henry's box truck conversion project. This is going to be a series of videos on how I'm going to convert my box truck into an RV from start to finish.
So a lot of the things are kind of going to go up in a temporary manner, but secured enough where I can drive with it and even use it fully functionally. I'm going to start with the insulation. I did get one piece of insulation. I got this from Home Depot. It's about an inch thick. It's the white styrofoam with the aluminum side on one side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut strips and put them inside these individual compartments here, and then I'm going to do the ceiling. So we're going to start there, just insulate it, and then I don't think I'm going to panel it just yet. All I want to do is insulate it and then start putting the placements of where I'm going to put everything. I'm going to do two pieces because, as you can see, it goes down and then it goes up, and half of it I'll tuck it down and it's lit down here, and then half of it I'll tuck it up and it's lit up here. So I decided to do half down, half of it going down and half of it going up. So I found that no matter what I do, I have to have three pieces, because if I want to tuck this piece up this lip right here, I need to go down and then go up, and I can't do that. I can't do that if it's already butt onto this one already. So I need a gap to go down and then to go up, and then I have to tuck another one in the middle. So I don't see another way around that. If I want to tuck it down and I want to tuck it up above, I don't see another way of avoiding doing a third piece in the middle. So the top It's about 1.25 inches thickness. It's about 1.25 inches to be the same thickness as these top pieces there. This part goes into the cabin, so I don't think I need to insulate this, but I might need to insulate this piece. Definitely this fiberglass section, you know, just insulate it. And I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with this back door. As you can hear, this thing just driving down the road, that thing just rattles like crazy. So actually considering removing this door and then just do a flat piece in the back, and then just do like a regular style door in the back, just in the center. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that back door, but I really don't like these roll-up doors. They're really noisy driving down the highway, and I really don't like them too much. You have to roll them all the way up every time you get in and out. You know, I like to be able just to open the door, jump in, close the door. I don't know, we'll see about that. You know, right now we're in the experimental stage of how everything's going to be set up. So at a 1 4x8 feet piece of insulation, I was able to do these 3 pieces here, and then the leftovers, I've only had these 3 little pieces here as leftover scrap, so I'm pretty sure I can use those for something. But in general, 4x8 piece of insulation will do about 3 of these sections. Eventually they are 16 inches apart, which that's same as houses. You know, houses, they're also 16 inches apart. So alternatively, you can do 16-inch fiberglass insulation, which, you know, I probably wouldn't go that route, but a lot of insulation rolls are already the size 16 inches. What's up, guys? So I'm here in my little workshop. I'm planning to do some reupholstering in here, and, you know, do little stuff that I can do in here in my shop. So today, after cutting that styrofoam insulation, you know, I figured, you know, just using that little serrated knife was great, but so I had another idea. So I went down to Harbor Freight, and I actually bought this industrial soldering gun. I only paid like $11.19. This thing will just cut right. This is just like a piece of styrofoam I found in the trash right now, but there you go. Now we're getting some clean cuts right here. So I think for 11 bucks it's worth it. It is kind of smoky, so obviously this will have to be done in a well ventilated area. So that's our. Another thing that I'm excited about that I got at Harbor Freight is this Predator 2000 inverter gas generator. So I pretty much just unboxed it just right now. Haven't tested it yet. It comes with some clamps and a little pouch of tools. But I really haven't found anything negative, any negative reviews on the Predator 2000, the Harbor Freight version of the EU Honda 2000, and supposedly it's only like 2 decibels louder than the Honda. And, you know, being that the Honda is one of the quietest generators out there. You know, I'm planning to run it tomorrow, and it's definitely something essential if you're going to be doing some RVing, and if you're going to be using tools in the RV like me. I'm going to be using my tools, and I'm going to be working out of my box truck as well. So this is definitely a good investment, and it's only half the price from the Honda EU 2000. So for 2 decibels louder than the Honda, it's definitely worth my while, because I paid literally $500 less than the Honda. In fact, I paid less because there was an internet sale, and plus I used the 20% coupon that comes in the mail, which it came out to only $429, so less than half of the Honda. So as soon as I get it up and running, I'll do a quick little review on it and let you guys know how it works. Other than that, I'm excited about it, so you know, I can't wait to put it to use. What's up, guys? So I was thinking about last night regarding my soldering iron. Oops. Regarding my soldering iron and how I want to set it up to be the most efficient in cutting my styrofoam boards. Kind of put this together this morning. Just pretty much put a couple boards together, and kind of clamp this, clamp the soldering iron right here. And ironically, I had this board laying around already with this hole here that I've made. I don't know how long ago, but the idea is to have like a system where I can cut the styrofoam much more efficiently. You know, do my 15.5 inch width on measures, you know, exactly 15.5. I got 15.5 from this plane here to the hot iron. But as I said, I know this is going to be a lot cleaner and a lot more efficient as far as the hot iron goes, or the soldering iron goes. But the idea came to me last night that it would be even more efficient to have a table to, you know, run all these boards all at once, as clean as possible. Nice, that is hot. So that is a clean cut. I mean, it didn't go all the way through, but you know, I just needed to go up an inch. So it's kind of smoky in here now. Had to open the door, but so it's got to be in a well ventilated area. But hey, look at that! I'm really gonna be cooking now. Is that 15 inches? Yep, 15.5 inches exactly. So it took me it took me all night to think about it. You know, I was actually thought about what was a better way to make this the most efficient. And I figured out that having a bench or a table saw type setup will be more efficient. Oops. Check that out. Cool. Really gonna be cooking now.
So hey, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and if you like the videos, comment and let me know what you guys think. This is Handyman Henry, and I hope I see you guys on the next video. Thanks.